Hey, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all can probably tell that my hair is a completely different color, and that's because I dyed it. No, I'm just kidding. I did not dye my hair. I actually used hair paint wax. For those that don't know, hair paint wax is temporary hair color. It's completely washable. It washes out with just water. It just really gives you a nice pop of color in case you want to try a new hair color but you're afraid to actually make that commitment like me. I was kind of torn because the hair paint wax website had so many colors, and so I actually ordered 3 colors. I ordered the red, the orange, and the gold. And I actually mixed them all together. I used mostly red, but I did put in some gold and a little bit of the orange, and I actually added more gold to the ends. I don't know if that really picks up on here, but yeah. So my ends are actually more gold than the rest of my hair, and I just absolutely love it. It looks so natural. Like, it literally looks like I just dyed my hair and I didn't. So like I said, it's completely washable. It washes off your hands, washes off your clothes, whatever it gets on, it washes out really, really easily. So y'all don't have to worry about that. And it's completely natural. It's good for your hair. The first ingredient is water, and then it has like beeswax and some other things in it. It's really easy to apply. Didn't take long at all. I just did my regular wash and go routine, which you guys will see in the video. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this, then just keep on watching. So as always, I'm starting on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. After separating my hair, I start in this back section by spraying it with water and rubbing the water in. As with all of my wash and goes, I start with my Shea Moisture Hair Milk. I then divide the section in half and go in with the smoothie. And of course, I always finish with my EcoStyle gel. I didn't shingle or work in small sections like I normally do with my wash and goes because I know that hair paint wax will also give my hair some hold. Now I'm just going to speed through the rest of the process because I already have a video on my channel about how I do my wash and goes. So all 3 colors are really vibrant and pretty, as you can see. A lot of people said that the wax smells like cologne, and it honestly does, but I think it smells pretty nice. So after I mixed the 3 together, I ended up with this color. The hair paint wax was a lot creamier than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be sticky, but it really just felt like I was applying any of my other cream products. The cool thing about this wax is that you can choose how vibrant you want the color to be by layering it. I decided that I wanted some of my natural hair color to show, but still applied enough to be noticeable. This gave me a really natural color, which I love. At the end, I went back and added some gold to the bottom of my hair just to provide some contrast. So this is the final result. I let my hair air dry for about an hour and then I sat under the dryer for about 25 minutes. The hair paint wax really defined my curls and also elongated them, which was really nice. All of the products I used, including the hair paint wax, are linked down below. Thank you for watching, and comment down below which color you want to try or would like me to try. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Bye!